Nitya Mukta Nitya Baddha. Amongst the individual souls, there are Nitya Baddha, eternally they have forgotten Krishna, they have come. When they have come, they do not know. They came. They are moving in this world. Two kinds of individual souls. Nitya Baddha, eternally in the snare of Maya. And other emancipated souls. They have got their object to worship, Supreme Lord, and they were getting all bliss, everything. They did not come to this world. But those who became averse to Sri Krishna, they saw this world dazzling, so beautiful. Let us also enjoy. By becoming averse to Sri Krishna, you want to enjoy this and jump into it and passing through cycles of births and deaths. And now, God has given you. Whether you want me or you want this world, you want to enjoy this world, then again you move on, birth, death. In this human birth, I have given you the opportunity now. Human form is like the original Supreme Lord. We have got the human form. Even demigods, they want to be born as human beings. Because in their birth as demigod, they have got so much wealth and enjoyment. They have got the aptitude to worship. But this human birth is, human birth is congenial for worship of Krishna. For eating, sleeping, depending and waiting, all these things you have already heard. For this human birth is not meant. It is not important.